Certifications have always played a huge role in employability and also in understanding technology better. When it comes to career growth, IT certifications help in taking your career to the next level and also living a better life with better salary and better opportunities. In this video, I'm going to tell you how Cisco CCNA exam can be a life changer in your career. Hi Tech family, welcome back to another episode of the day. In this video, we are going to discuss a valuable topic. We are diving in a world of CCNA exam, which is the Cisco Certified Network Association. In this video, I'm going to tell you how this exam can change your career, how this exam can take your career to the next level. So if you have been preparing for IT exam, this is a right place to be. If you are new to the channel, my name is Lagate. I'm a Congolese living in Accra, Ghana. I'm a tech trainer on mission to help professionals, tech learners, and anybody willing to start a career in tech in general and networking precisely. On this channel, we develop topics like tech training, tech career growth, tech certificates, and how to get certified, tech opportunities, and tech podcasts. So if you're interested in any of these topics mentioned, kindly like the video, subscribe to our channel if it's not done, and also share the video to the maximum. Passing a CCNA exam can open exciting career opportunities and also a significant milestone in your networking journey. As we all know, it's not a walk in a park, but this requires determination, dedication, resilience, the right mindset, and also strategy. So if you've been wondering what you can do to successfully pass your CompTIA, your CCNA exam, stick to this video to the end, because I'm gonna give you the steps or points that you have to consider in order for you to successfully prepare and then pass your exam. The first point we should look at when you're preparing for exam or any IT certificate or CCNA exam is to understand the CCNA exam and why you want to take the CCNA exam. In understanding the CCNA exam, there are some sub-points you should consider, such as the topics involved, the exam costs, the exam duration, and the certificate's validity. These ones are very important. And this information can also be found on the Cisco certificate website. So you just Google the Cisco certifications. It will take you to a website where you get all this kind of information. So you have the information appropriate for you to decide if you have to take the next move or you have to change plan. The second point is attending class. Very necessary. This point is very important because some would prefer the online class or physical class. Whichever class you would like to go for, make sure the type of class you want to choose, whether it's online or physical, is comfortable for you. But from my experience, I would advise for beginners to go for physical class because this one will give you a structured class and enroll in an institution that can provide a best quality of training. The third point will be in choosing the good material. This point is very important because the type of material you will choose will determine how fast you will progress and how easier can be your preparation. You can go for soft copy or hard copy, whatever copy you want to go for. I have 3 writers I would like to suggest to you. The first one is Todd Lamel. He's a good writer whom I've experienced myself when I was preparing for my CCNA exam. We have David Bumble, whom I also follow on all his social media for his incredible job that he has been doing. And we have Kelvin Wallace. He's also a great tech engineer. An experienced tech engineer whom I also follow, and I also experienced one of his course for the INCOR, the CCNP exam INCOR. It was an incredible course, and believe me, I recommend you one of these 3 writers. You are not going to regret. And if you have an opportunity to afford for the 2 types of material, the soft copy and hard copy, I would advise you to go for the both, because there will be much flexibility, okay, in using the soft copy and hard copy as well. The 4th point that you should consider is practicing and using, practicing online question and have your hands on. Practicing with online question will help you to know or to discover your strength and your weaknesses. With the hands-on, you need to build topologies, build labs. This one will help you to develop the technical skills. And what are the environments you can use in building your labs? You can go for Packet Tracer, is a good simulator for the CCNA preparation. You can also go for CML, GNS3, or IFNG. If you have the means to actually afford the physical device, is always going to be a plus, because working on the physical device is always great than working on any of the emulation. But the emulations are also good in preparing an exam. So the 5th point is create a study plan and join a study group. Why should you create a study plan? I will answer this by saying that when you create a study plan, it helps you in monitoring your progress, okay? Monitoring your progress and also outlining the topics that you have to cover. Joining the study group will help you in sharing your challenges with other learners and with other experienced tech engineers. So that's the main reason you should really consider this point. And the 6th point is assess yourself. After reading, you should always assess yourself. By assessing yourself, you know if you are ready to schedule for the exam or not. And one thing you should consider when you are assessing yourself, if you are not able to score above 75% with the test questions, believe me, it's not the right time for you to schedule for an exam. So take your time and then get prepared. But if you are able to score more than 75%, then you can schedule for the exam. The 7th point, which is also a last point, is review and reflect. This one involves in completing one chapter. So anytime you complete one chapter, you need to review your progress and then underline the points that you've understood, and then things that you've not understood, and things that you have to work on again. Because as I said, this is not a walk in a park. This requires a lot of dedication, determination, and resiliency. It's not an easy journey. You really need to work hard. So these are the 7th points I wanted to share with you guys. If you're preparing for any CCNA exam, please stick to this point and make sure you have information about this 7th point before you put your hand from your pocket and then go and schedule for the exam. So whether you are just starting your CCNA journey or you are at the end of your preparation, this is the path to success. So get ready, conquer the CCNA exam, and take your career to the next level. If this video has been informative to you, please do 3 things for me. Like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel if it's not done. Okay, so it's always encouraging to give a video a thumbs up, to subscribe, and to share. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.